How to lose belly fat, tips for women. Fruit juices are high in concentrated sugar in the form of fructose, which may get accumulated around your belly as fat. It is best to consume fresh fiber-rich fruits. High-calorie foods, say no to junk. Fast food items are low in nutrition and high on calories and bad carbohydrates that can upset the balance of the gut flora and trigger inflammation, leading to weight gain. Refined sugar. Sugar impacts your metabolic health. It can lead to increased accumulation of fat in your belly. Limit your daily sugar intake to roughly about 25 grams as per WHO's recommendation, and if you want to lose weight, switch to healthier alternatives like honey or jaggery. Salty foods. Excess salt tends to retain water in your stomach and puff up your belly. Instead of adding salt while cooking, try salting on the table when the food is served and restrict your intake. Also, check for sodium levels on packaged foods. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates like white rice and maida are low in fiber and are digested very quickly, making you feel hungry again. They also tend to spike up your blood sugar levels suddenly, which may lead to fat accumulation. Starving yourself is not the key, and instead you need to understand your body's needs and provide it all the nourishment that it needs to lose belly fat in a healthy way and enjoy long-term results. Single crunch core exercises will strengthen your abs, but they won't eliminate the fat that lies beneath them. To do that, you have to ramp up your overall calorie burn with cardio, running, walking, biking. A Duke University study found that people who did moderate cardio for 178 minutes per week, roughly 30 minutes of walking 6 days per week, gained hardly any visceral fat over the course of 8 months. Participants who worked out at a higher intensity, jogging, for a similar amount of time saw even better results, reducing their belly fat by almost 7%. To maximize your workout, try interval training, which alternates between high and low intensity cardio. Once you've established a regular cardio routine, add 2 or 3 weight training sessions on non-consecutive days to your weekly workouts. Everyone naturally gains some fat as they age, but building muscle tone can significantly slow the production of belly fat. In a study conducted at the University of Minnesota, overweight women who did twice-weekly strength training routines that included 8 to 10 exercises of major muscle groups, from biceps curls to leg presses, gained 67% less visceral fat over 2 years than women who didn't do strength training regularly. While constant overeating, that is consuming more calories that you burn, will lead to increases in body fat generally, and belly fat specifically, there are other reasons that can cause a big belly. Factors that can influence belly fat include gender, genetics, hormones, body shape, lifestyle, and certain foods. An effective plan to lose belly fat must address the causes for why you are carrying more belly fat than you would like. Read more about causes of belly fat. Exercises targeting the belly are not enough to help you lose belly fat. You cannot target fat loss. You cannot lose fat from one specific area by thinking about it. It's like saying you don't want to drive to where you're going, you want to teleport there. It's not going to happen. Sit-ups, crunches and core work are not going to miraculously blast belly fat. If it did, a lot less people would have a belly. Exercises like crunches do not target belly fat, they target belly muscle, that is abs. They will make your muscles bigger, but that helps little if they are hiding beneath a layer of fat. However, once you've lost the belly fat, those exercises will pay off. But, the first step is to lose belly fat. Belly fat is stored energy. Accordingly, to lose belly fat you have to lose energy, or, to put it more simply, you have to burn more calories, energy, than you eat. There is no way round it. Try anything else and you'll join the ranks of those who every year tries out the newest, craziest diet that promises everything and yield nothing. To lose belly fat you need to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. However, there is much more you can do than simply reducing your calorie intake to lose belly fat. There are certain foods that will help you lose belly fat, while other foods will actually increase belly fat. Foods that help burn belly fat are low in saturated fat and high in monounsaturated fat, such as olive oil, walnuts, and flax seeds. However, avoid refined grains, which increase belly fat, and choose whole grains instead. A diet rich in fruits.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Check the description below and thank you so much for watching.